Good morning, friends. We are discussing about the Vision IS 5 question. Let's discuss the first question. First question is related to the history section. Very surprisingly. Okay, let's see the question. Consider the following statement regarding the Haripura session of Congress in 1938. Now, first statement is said like that it was presided by the Subhash Chandra Bose at that point of time. Second, Gandhi Irwin Pact was introduced at Haripura session. The National Planning Committee was set up under the Jawaharlal Nehru. So these are the statement and option are these first and third, second, third, first, second, third. I again repeat the question. Haripura session of Congress. Consider the following statement regarding it. It was presided over by the Subhash Chandra Bose. Gandhi Irwin Pact was endorsed. The National Planning Commission was set up under Jawaharlal Nehru at that point of time in the Haripura session basically. Second statement, let's see discuss. This fort is located in Udaipur in the Mewar region of Rajasthan. It was birthplace of the Mewar legendary king Maharana Pratap Singh. With wall over 36 km long, the fort has been second largest wall in the world after the Great Wall of China. And what are these forts? Chittorgarh, Ranthambore, Kumbhalgarh and Mehergarh fort. I again repeat the question, quite important. You should remember these things. This fort is located in Udaipur in the Mewar region. So it is birthplace of the Mewar legendary king Maharana Pratap. Here, wall of 36 km long, the fort was second largest wall in the world after the Great Wall of China. And what the fort is considered here. The whole story is given about which of the following fort: Chittorgarh, Ranthambore, Kumbhal fort and Mehergarh fort. Let's see the next question. Next question is related as usual with the economic sessions. Are asking about the golden rice. You can correlate it with, not economy but the science and tech. This was variety of science naturally found in the continent of Southeast Asia. First statement is regarding golden rice is that it is a source of vitamin A. It requires more water for its cultivation, and option are these first and third, second and third, first and second. I can repeat the question. With which of the following with reference to the golden rice is correct? This variety of the naturally found in the countries of Southeast Asia. It is the source of vitamin A. It requires more water for its cultivation, and option are these. And let's see the fourth question. Fourth question is related basically to the science and tech. Lipstick chemical found in them is the lead. Number second, soft drink, brominated vegetable oil. Number third, Chinese fast food, monosodium glutamate, and option are these. Okay, let's see the next question. Next question is related to the that is ecology. Which of the following best describe the biotic potential? What do you mean by the biotic potential? Basically, number first, it is referred to the potential biomass of a population. Whole population biomass basically measured by the dry weight per unit area. So that is like that, biomass or dry weight. If water of biomass is reduced, then dry weight, what the leftover is dry weight, and you have to go, that is the ratio of the biomass or the dry weight. Second, it refers to the possible functional role of the species can play in environment. So a type of a species, what type of functional unit can be played in the ecosystem by the species. So second statement is like that. Number third, it refers to the maximum reproduction capacity of an organism under optimal environmental conditions. So it is a type of a condition in which an organism have an optimal condition so that they can grow, they themselves can grow and they can reproduce much more higher or the at optimal condition. What will be the average or the maximum number of the childbirth, or you can say the healthy childbirth they can produce. Number fourth statement refer to the minimum population of a species required to sustain a food web. I again repeat the question. Which of the following describe best about the biotic potential? Number first, it refers to the potential biomass of a population measured by dry weight per unit area. Number second, it refers to the potential functional roles a species can play in an ecosystem. It refers to the maximum reproductive capacity of an organism under optimal condition. Number fourth, it refers to the minimum population of a species required to sustain a food web. Let's see the answer to the first question. Consider the following statement regarding the Haripura session. So first and third are correct. It was presided over by the Subhash Chandra Bose, and the National Planning Committee was under the Jawaharlal Nehru was formed at that point of time, and it is the time period of 1938. Let's see the explanation there. Subhash Chandra Bose served as the president of two Indian National Congress at the Haripura session of 1930 and Tripura session of 1939. So first statement is completely correct. Gandhi Irwin Pact was enrolled at the Karachi session of 1931. Do remember this fact also, because this is the coincidence or the contemporary of the time, right? The first attempt to develop a national plan for India come up in 1938. In that year, Congress President Subhash Chandra Bose had set up a national planning committee with Jawaharlal Nehru as its president, right? Let's see the next question. This fort is located near Udaipur in the Mewar region. It is the birthplace of Mewar legendary king Maharana Pratap. With a roll over 36 km, the fort has been the second largest fort in the world after the Great Wall of China, that is the Kumbhalgarh fort. So B here is correct. Located 84 km of the Udaipur, Kumbhalgarh fort is the second most important citadel of the Chittorgarh in the Mewar region. Located in the Ravli range of the fort was built in the 15th century by the Rana Kumbha. It is the immense sentimental significance for the people, being the birthplace of the Mewar legendary king Maharana Pratap. So it is quite important historically. Let's see the next question. Southeast Asia, that is wrong. Is the source of vitamin E, that is also correct. It requires more water for cultivation, I think. Third is also wrong. So second is correct. Let's see things about the golden rice. Golden rice is nothing but a collective name of the rice species or variety that are genetically modified to counter vitamin A deficiency in developing countries. European scientists developed the first strain of the golden rice toward the end of the 1990s. Golden rice differs from standard rice in that it contains extra genes, one from maize and one from bacterial origin, together responsible for the production of the provitamin A. Do remember this fact that one gene contained from the maize that has the good source of the vitamin A and one source taken from the bacteria itself, and then because of its color that they are producing, that is of a golden, and the name is suggested like that, they are the gold. But one thing here is quite important, the provitamin A is found there. It is required that many times vitamin A in our body are present, but because of the some ill function of our organ, they cannot reproduce, they cannot utilize basically by our body, but because of the provitamin that are found in golden rice, that is good and suitable, that not need any organ to consume it. So it does not need any intermediary to complete their function, right? It means directly dissolve in the blood. Research has indicated that 1 cup of golden rice can provide up to 50% of the daily requirement of an adult for a vitamin A. The golden rice can be just the same way we grow normal rice. This is no change in the cost of cultivation. It reduces water used by the 30%. That is the quite important factor, and it is the it is just opposite of third statement that are given here, that said like that it require more water. That is incorrect there. Let's see the next question. Next question is related to the biotic potential. So third statement is here correct. It refers to the maximum reproduction capacity. You know very well biotic. What do you mean by the biotic nature of any organism? That it can reproduce, it has a growth development kind of thing, and the reproduction is the basic feature of any of the biotic community. It can reproduce, but non-biotic thing cannot reproduce themselves. So here it is referred to the maximum reproduction capacity of an organism under optimal environmental conditions. So that is known as the biotic potential. Biotic potential, the maximum reproductive capacity of an organism under the optimum environmental condition. It has exposed and a proportional percentage increase per year. As the statement, the human population increased by 3% last year. It can also be expressed as the time it takes for population to double in size. So that's why full expression of the biotic potential of an organism is restricted by the environment condition. For example, any factor that inhibit the increased number of the population, these might be unfavorable condition, lack of space, light, suitable substance, or might be, can say that the food also, deficiency of necessary chemical compound that is required, and that is important, take important role in making of these things, in making of biotic community or minerals also, and the inhibiting factor of the predator, parasite, disease, organism, or unfavorable genetic changes. Because of all these things,